The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey is a personal finance book that offers a step-by-step plan to help individuals achieve financial freedom and build wealth. Let's explore the main chapters of the book. Chapter 1, Super Saving. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of saving money as the foundation of financial success. He introduces the concept of an emergency fund and explains how to establish a savings habit and prioritize saving over unnecessary expenses. Chapter 2, Relating with Money. This chapter focuses on the psychological and emotional aspects of money. Ramsey highlights the significance of open communication with one's spouse or family about money matters and encourages readers to work together as a team to achieve financial goals. Chapter 3, Cash Flow Planning. Ramsey introduces the concept of budgeting and emphasizes the importance of tracking and controlling expenses. He provides practical advice on creating a monthly budget, allocating money towards essential categories, and eliminating unnecessary spending. Chapter 4, Dumping Debt. This chapter addresses the issue of debt and provides a strategy for eliminating it. Ramsey introduces the debt snowball method, where individuals pay off their debts from smallest to largest, gaining momentum as they see progress. Chapter 5, Credit Sharks in Suits. Ramsey exposes the dangers of excessive borrowing and the negative impact of credit card debt. He discusses the importance of avoiding high-interest debt and advocates for the use of cash and debit cards instead of credit cards. Chapter 6, Buyer Beware. In this chapter, Ramsey provides guidance on making wise purchasing decisions. He advises readers to be cautious and avoid impulsive buying, emphasizing the importance of doing research, seeking bargains, and making purchases with cash. Chapter 7, Cause and Effect. Ramsey educates readers about the intricacies of contracts and legal agreements. He stresses the significance of reading and understanding the terms before signing any contract, including mortgages, leases, and loans. Chapter 8, That's Not Good Enough. This chapter focuses on the importance of building an emergency fund as a safety net against unexpected expenses. Ramsey explains how having an adequate emergency fund can provide peace of mind and protect individuals from falling back into debt. Chapter 9, Of Mice and Mutual Funds. Ramsey discusses the basics of investing and retirement planning. He advocates for long-term investing in mutual funds and encourages readers to start investing early to take advantage of compound interest and maximize wealth-building potential. Chapter 10, Light at the End of the Tunnel. The final chapter reinforces the book's core principles and celebrates the financial transformation achieved by following the steps outlined in the book. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of maintaining financial discipline, continuing to save, and living a debt-free lifestyle. The Total Money Makeover provides a comprehensive plan for individuals to take control of their finances, get out of debt, and start building wealth. Ramsey's straightforward approach, practical advice, and motivational tone have helped countless readers transform their financial lives and achieve lasting financial freedom.